Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're setting our sights on a brand new contender in the middleweight motorcycle segment, the Royal Enfield Guerrilla 450. This motorcycle has been generating a lot of buzz, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. Key features breakdown. Engine. First things first, the Guerrilla 450 packs a punch with its 450cc, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine. This translates to a smooth ride with a claimed power output of around 40 PS and 40 Nm of torque. Now, that might not sound earth-shattering on paper, but for a city motorcycle, it promises enough grunt to navigate traffic with ease and tackle the occasional highway jaunt. Handling and suspension. Royal Enfield equips the Guerrilla with a telescopic front suspension and twin gas-charged shock absorbers at the rear. This setup is designed to deliver a comfortable ride and predictable handling, especially when navigating through city streets and uneven surfaces. Brakes and safety. Safety is paramount, and the Guerrilla 450 boasts a disc brake setup on both wheels. Now, some sources suggest a switchable single-channel ABS, which means you get the added security of anti-lock brakes on the rear wheel when needed. Technology and design. This isn't your typical Royal Enfield thumper. The Guerrilla 450 gets a modern twist with a fully digital instrument cluster. Imagine a sleek TFT display showcasing all the vital information you need, plus the possibility of Bluetooth connectivity and navigation, a welcome addition for city riders. Design elements and USP. Urban appeal. The Guerrilla 450 ditches the traditional Royal Enfield silhouette. It has a more aggressive, Street Fighter-inspired design with a muscular fuel tank, sharp lines, and a slightly raised tail section. This bike is built to conquer the urban jungle with style. Lightweight maneuverability. One of the Guerrilla's biggest selling points is its expected lightweight construction. This translates to easy handling and nimbleness in tight city spaces. Performance. A balanced approach. Let's be honest, the Guerrilla 450 isn't built for breaking land speed records. However, its focus is on practicality and comfort. The engine promises enough power to navigate city traffic with confidence, while the suspension is designed to soak up bumps and imperfections. Target audience. This motorcycle is perfect for riders who crave a stylish and modern take on the Royal Enfield legacy. Prioritize a comfortable and maneuverable ride for city commutes. Are new riders looking for a confidence-inspiring and easy-to-handle motorcycle? Conclusion. The Royal Enfield Guerrilla 450 is a promising new addition to the middleweight motorcycle segment. It offers a blend of modern features, comfortable ergonomics, and a city-friendly design. While we await official launch details and test ride opportunities, the Guerrilla 450 is definitely a motorcycle to keep an eye on, especially for urban riders seeking a stylish and practical companion. So, what do you think of the Royal Enfield Guerrilla 450? Would it be your ideal city companion? Let me know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more motorcycle content.